Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Medicaid Burger. Today I'll be building this. It's set number 763935. NASCAR Next Generation Chevy Camaro ZL1 contains 328 pieces and it's priced for $26.99 USD. So I'm trying to collect all those speed transfers from previous year. So this is one of them from last year. And of course there's like 2 or 3 more just left to collect. So let's open up the box and take a look what's inside. This contains 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here's the instruction book. And then 2 sticker sheets. So this is the most sticker I saw in a speed transfer as there have been a lot less on the other sets, so hopefully it's easy to put it on, but yeah, there's a lot of stickers in there. So that's it. I'll sort the bags and do the build. So this is the finished build of the set number 76935 NASCAR Next Gen Chevy Camaro ZL1. So it's one side, here's the front, here's the other side, and here's the back. So this car does have a lot of sticker on it, which some people might like it, some people not. Let's go down the class, which is good. So I'll show the sticker sheet again. So there's one part of it, And here's the second sheet. And of course, like most of these stickers will be on the sides, on the back, and the front. And of course, the ones on the windshield is a sticker as well. People probably wish that it was printed, but I guess that would be better. And of course, not all of them are stickers. It's like only like 90% of a sticker, but 10% like printed. It's like right here, the 3x3 tile with the American flag, and also just like couple like curve plates. That's printed as well, right in the front right here. We used to print the side of the plates and the tile right there, which is good, I guess, for some good people. Of course, these are stickers which was printed, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And of course, the hubcaps, these are printed as well, which when you build it, you put it onto the wheels, and you know, which is good. And of course, the minifig. Of course, each standard Lego City minifig head that comes with this minifig. Of course, is a you get the printing in the front of the torso and back of the torso, which people like. But that, of course, the legs is standard. It's not dual molded. Of course, it comes with the hair like this. And also, of course, as a standard, a wrench like this. Of course, every year I try to collect every speed champions that comes out there, but sometimes can't do it because of budget constraints. But then I got 3 more sets that I have to collect for 2024, which is 76923, 76924, and 66925. You can look those at what those sets are. One should be the Lamborghini concept card they came with last year. And the other two is 2-pack, which costs like I believe $45 or $50 when it came out last year. So as I said, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe, leave a comment.